let's look at our important vocabulary for today. The first word we have is compare. Now, when we compare things, we are determining things that are similar or different between two or more objects. So whenever we're talking about comparing with numbers, we're seeing what numbers are the same and how they are different. The next word we have is less than. So when we're comparing with numbers, we usually are talking about things that are less than, greater than, or equal to. So less than is a smaller amount when compared to another amount. So for this example, we're able to see that 4 is less than 8, and we can actually see that with our pictorial representation. I have 4 dots here, and I have 8 dots here, and I'm able to see this is less than this. The next one we have is greater than. Greater than is when a larger amount when compared to another amount. So again, with our example of 8 and 4, I am able to see that 8 is greater than 4, and I'm able to see that with my pictorial model here. I have 8 dots here and 4 dots here. I'm able to see I have more dots here, so I can say that 8 is greater than 4 because I can see that I have more on this side than I do on this side. The next one we have is equal. So whenever something is equal, it means that they have the same amount. So I'm able to see that I have 7 pears over here and I have 7 apples over here. But they both are 7, so that means they are equal. They have the same amount.